morning, everybody. How are you? It's Yvonne here, and I'm here for something different. I thought maybe you'd be interested in this little review that I purchased from AliExpress. It's 12 new designer. It's a new package. It says Superior Wink markers, and it's a really nice case with a handle. Not that I rather have good markers than have a good case, but I think in this case we might have it. And on the lids, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 markers. They fit very snugly. They're just like the Wink of Stella or the other ones that you can purchase with the stopper here, the little yellow stopper that will save you from for the leakage. So it comes packed with all of them. The ones that don't have it, I've already taken it off. And I was anxious to see how it works. They work like a charm. Now, they have numbers here. I'm not quite sure what the numbers are for. I suspect maybe the color. And each one of them says Wink of Stella on it. So Superior Wink of Stella. And to me, this is a Wink of Stella. And this is more heavy duty than this. And for those of you who are not sure, I paid $35.29 shipped to my door for these 12 markers. I cannot say enough. It's an excellent, excellent buy. And they're beautiful. They're just absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see the sheen on that, but the more you go, the more it sheens. They sparkle. I don't know if you can tell there. It's a little better. The colors are magnificent. I absolutely love all their colors. Oops, I'm taking the wrong end off. They're beautiful. Like, I just can't say enough. And it has that little push button right there. And in order to get it going, I'll grab a dark color just to show you. You just take off this little piece, screw it back in, and you can hear that little click. That means that it's punctured through. There's all little ball bearing balls inside to mix the ink with the shimmer. So you just give it a shake, and then once you've given it a shake, you pull it apart. Now you'll see that it's all white here, the mesh for the nib. Just give it a few push, and you'll see in this chamber here, the ink coming out. It's starting to come out now. There you go. And there you go. Now I'm good to go. That's how quick and easy it is. Oh my goodness, that's a beautiful color. Can you see the shimmer on that? This is just a quick review. I'm looking so much forward to playing with these today. And like I said, for $35.29, you get 12 markers. So if you break that down, that doesn't make it a whole lot of expense. It makes it at, let me see, just for before I close, I should have done this beforehand, $35.29. I still have the old school with the calculator. I can't do it by hand, but right now it makes it really easy. It's $2.95 a piece. Tax in at your door. I mean, how can you pay at least $10 for this, depending where you buy it, or whatever you have a coupon, then you get it a little cheaper. But nowhere near $2.85. So this is Yvonne, and I'm just going to close off right now to just wanted to give you a quick review on what I think of these markers. Have a great day, but most importantly, be happy.